Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to open an Audi A6 door panel, making it an easy guide for you. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You will need a set of plastic trim removal tools to prevent scratches, along with a Torx 25 or Torx 20 screwdriver. It is also helpful to have a small container for screws. Remember to lower your window fully before you begin, as this provides better access and prevents potential damage during the removal process. Now, let's find those hidden fasteners. Begin by carefully prying off the small trim piece located behind the interior door handle. It's usually held by clips. Once removed, you will find a Torx screw that needs to be undone. Next, gently pry off the speaker cover or trim piece near the armrest, revealing another Torx screw. Finally, check the bottom of the armrest or door pocket for any additional screws, often one or two, and remove them carefully. With all screws removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Start at a lower corner and use your plastic trim tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame. Work your way around the entire perimeter, releasing the numerous plastic clips. Once all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards. This action unhooks it from the window channel. Be sure to support the panel as you lift, preventing any strain on the wires still connected. Finally, disconnect the remaining components. You will find several electrical connectors for the window switches, speakers, and door lock module. Carefully unclip each one. Also, detach the door latch cable from the interior handle mechanism. For reassembly, reverse these steps. Ensure all electrical connectors are firmly attached and the door latch cable is properly hooked. Align the top edge of the panel with the window seal before pressing the clips back into place, working from top to bottom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.